Raindrops fall, but it feels alive. My heart still searches, still hopes inside. Thinking of you, memories play. A gentle breeze takes my pain away.
I stand here looking at the sky so wide. Though I miss you, I let the sun inside. Words unsaid still linger in my heart, but today I feel a brand new start.
Rain in my heart, but the sun still shines. Memories of you in between the lines. Days go by, I'm learning to smile. Through gentle rain, I'll walk another Footsteps wander, streets alive. Old shadows fade, new dreams arrive. I call your name, the wind replies. Smiles break through the cloudy skies.
Nights were long, but I see the dawn. Every teardrop falls, but I move on. Life goes on in colors, not just gray. Through every storm, I find my way.
Rain